1 2 1 2.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA.
1 2 1 2.
A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Hey Thomas.
Hello, Janard. How are you?
Will be better if it wasn't so hot. How about you?
What is the temperature there?
25, 26.
39 to 42 degrees right here.
Shit, that's horrible, I think.
It is ridiculously high. Imagine 39 degrees to 42. So depending on whether you're in the car, in the shadow, It's around 40 degrees.
Gosh, yeah. I wouldn't handle that. I will die for that.
Nah, it's impossible. Cool
True.
white wine and a pool. That's the only way you can.
Yeah, that will be help.
Okay. We still have a few minutes, 32 minutes until jobless claims. So for now, what I'm going to do is observe the current open position. Has anyone opened a buy with me in the morning?
Yes. Yes, I do, Thomas.
Good afternoon.
2 people. Amazing. Excellent.
Nice
Swimming in
London
deep
breakout
profits.
trade.
How you doing, Charles?
All good, all good. Nice trade in the morning.
I wasn't expecting that, to be honest, but no,
Well, it
actually,
was good.
I'm going to say yes. I did expect that. I knew exactly what's going to happen. I saw it in my dreams.
It was good market structure to play that trade.
Yeah, as soon as it started coming up above the daily pivot,
Yeah.
which I'm about to show you on the chart, it was inevitable that price to climb higher. Unfortunately, we're not out of the woods because, as you can see, price is hovering just below the previous all-time high. Yeah, it may be like 100 or 200 pips, but recently the amount or the size of movements, this is nothing. 100, 200 pip movements is nothing for gold. I mean, look at the market structure, look at the price movements. Insane. Thousands of pips within days. Within a day, not days. But maybe it's time to take profit, guys. What do you think?
Yeah.
Just before one of the most important labor market data.
I took the position and I'll look to get in after the data's out.
We're gonna have 3 different data news: retail sales and Philadelphia.
Let's have a look. I think Philadelphia or the Philly index is going to be around 4 o'clock, right?
It's same time.
Is it?
Yes.
Philly manufacturing index, and there's nothing at 4 o'clock. Surprise, surprise. So, shit, we have retail sales today.
Yeah.
Oh my
Indeed.
god.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, boy.
Oh my god. I completely missed it. So we need to
It's gonna be a weird one.
a whole brand new analysis on this. Oh my god. Retail sales today. That's a problem.
Thomas. Don't
I don't
watch
think-
next
I
week
don't
on
think-
under.
I don't think we're able to do a full analysis 28 minutes before the news. Can we do it?
Yes.
Of course.
If you say so.
I know Charles wanna help you.
He always does. He's a good comrade.
I try. No
Conrad.
one is very enthusiastic. So someone's got to join in. Plus, I learn more if I'm engaged. I just wish
28 minutes.
a lot more people were firing questions and
Oh no,
having
27
conversations.
minutes. 27 minutes, Charles. Can we do a full
We're good.
analysis? Okay, first let's observe what are we facing. We have Ooh, Afan Ahmed. I opened it from your free signals. Currently running in 80 pips and 50% book. Thanks for it. You're welcome, brother. So, looking at the data, and I know probably Charles and Yanad is going to be the only ones who's helping me. We have continuing jobless claims, initial jobless claims. So that's one, jobless claims, right? Then we have the Philly manufacturing index, which the US is not manufacturing, but for some reason the Philly manufacturing index is a banger. Then we have retail sales. Did I miss anything?
Or retail sales, or I think export import is so minor.
The US is always in a net deficit, so export import is not that relevant for the US. But
Retail sales
out of these three, jobless claims, Philly manufacturing index, and retail sales, which one is the most important?
Retail sales is quite important because it's like most of the US economic growth, like it leads into most of that.
Yes. The reason why it's bloody important, because consumption made up about 60 to 70% of the US GDP.
Yeah.
So it is important, but I completely missed it. So now we have to come up with a plan. Okay, so starting with retail sales. Let's say retail sales, let's see what the forecast is. There's no forecast, bloody hell. Oh, there is a forecast. So let's say retail sales is in line with forecast, means it's going to increase a 0.4% from 0. Now, if retail sales is increasing, that means more purchases being made. Is it inflationary or deflationary?
D. I think
It's
comes out higher.
inflationary, because a lot of money they're gonna.
The more money is being spent, the more money is circulating in the economy, the chances are the higher inflation gets. So if you have inflation, retail sales to increase a 0.4%, which is quite big, then gold should go down. Higher retail sales. Going to change the color. So higher is bad for gold. And the other side of the story, lower retail sales is going to be good for gold, because the less money is being spent in the economy is good for gold. Change the color. There you go. What about jobless claims? How about if we have higher jobless claims?
It's good for gold.
Very good for gold.
It's set to increase only marginally there.
Because higher jobless claims means less people get salary, right? Less people able to spend it on retail goods. Less money is circulating in the economy. So it's good for gold. But if we have a lower jobless claims, that's a problem.
Oh, it's just jumped up.
Alexandre Claire, we will have mixed data. Absolutely. In 90% of the cases, we do have mixed data. What do we do when we have mixed data? What is the first thing that we need to observe?
Jobless. And maybe trend.
Points of
Market
that
sentiment.
sentiment.
Market sentiment.
Yeah,
Market sentiment.
and if you, as you can see,
Market sentiment. What is the current market sentiment, boys?
we want to break the all-time high.
Yeah, we do, but what is the market sentiment, Charles?
It's bullish.
Two
For
weeks
gold.
ago, we had an NFP which pulled down many trousers because
Yeah.
people were afraid of a recession, a crisis, a bust. But since that,
Ooh,
everything is back to normal because price just regained. So the current market sentiment is bullish for gold because traders do expect rate cuts from the Fed. The only thing that changed with CPI is that traders now dialed back the expectation from 50 basis point rate cut to 25 basis point. So it is still a rate cut. Still traders and investors are expecting rate cut, but they're not expecting a 50 basis point. But it's still a rate cut, which hasn't happened for how many years?
3 or 2.
2-3 years, yeah. So from this perspective, we focus on market sentiment, and the market sentiment is bullish because yes, maybe it's not going to be a 50 basis point, but it will be still a rate cut. And traders expecting another 2 rate cut by the end of this year. Another 6 consecutive rate cuts in Europe, which is huge. Samuel Varkey, what if the unemployment rate is too high? Recession fear can come back, right? Absolutely spot on, brother. So those who traded NFP 2 weeks ago know exactly that the recession fear was out of order. Like it was overreacted. And recession fear can come back anytime. Have you seen any news lately that, you know, companies laying off staff?
Good evening, Thomas.
Hello, Ram Rao Kadam.
How are you?
Very good, thank you. How are you?
Good, Thomas. Thank you.
Thomas, are you front running any positions?
The one in the morning. That's all I got. So let me just show you.
You're
Still
long.
the same position. Yeah.
Yeah.
How long, brother? That's all I've got. And it's running in 90 pips. Well, the first position was 65 pips. Then I entered that lower, which is 91 pips.
Nice.
That is the only front running. I strongly advise to anyone who's holding positions to take some profit before the data release. It's a very nice background, James.
Thank you.
Loads of potential for YouTube stream.
I don't have the confidence yet, mate.
Nah, you do. You got the pretty face. You got the confidence.
I like Mike's setup though. Yeah, he looks like got all the screens on there. He's got all the charts.
Yeah, it's a bit
Money.
overkill. It's a bit overkill, but you know,
Hopefully lots-
he's trying. You know, when you reach an age, you're trying to compensate things. So that's why the screens.
How many screens is that, Mike? Because it looks like we're seeing only half of your.
Mike,
Uh,
set up.
yeah, I've got a laptop with an extender on each side, so that makes 3 screens, and then I have the other laptop and one other screen that runs my MT4, and then one other screen where I put up YouTube or sometimes flip over here to my 1-minute chart on gold and my 10-year bond yield and my DXY over there.
6 screens, yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit overkill, but I don't know. I started this way, and it's how I'm really comfortable.
Mm-hmm. Let's hope the money is equally as heavy, right?
Exactly. Right. Yeah, my wife tells me I have no excuse to not trade well.
Afan Ahmed has a question. Bro, can you please explain that on which strategy you work on, like ICT, SMC, price action, or is there your own strategy?
Strategy.
These are fantastic. Like if you want to learn price action, if you want to learn about technical analysis, 100% good for these. If it makes money, continue doing so. But I'm an educated economist, so that's where I had my bachelor's and master's, and I started working in asset management and the hedge fund industry, and then went into banking. So it's banking and finance. And there was never one single meeting, not in asset management, not in the single hedge fund I used to work for, not in the 2 banks I used to work for. There was not a single meeting where I've heard any of these concepts. And that's the real world. That's not Instagram, not Telegram. That's the real world. I never heard these concepts. It's good because you learn about technical analysis. If it makes money, continue doing so. But the strategy I'm using is mostly fundamental. And then I look at the technicalities. And if I had to choose from these 3, hands down, price action. Price action.
You love Fibonacci?
Yeah, I'm really just a Fibonacci.
You pray to the Fibonacci gods?
Yeah. Hi, can you check US 30? Yeah, I can. And we have 14 minutes until jobless claims and retail sales. Oh, look at a dirty move on US 30. Look at this week. That's about 500 points. It's dirty. NASDAQ is most likely going to create, well, not a new all-time high yet, but it will go back to 20,000 soon. If it goes up, just keep buying.
Oh, sorry.
Question is whether we buy or sell gold today. Juan Orodisgoitia, if you want to learn fundamentals, join the Alpha FX community. I try to explain everything as possible. From September, I will be back with the morning briefings, which it's quite informative because I not just give out the signals like, you know, in the boom boom profit Telegram channels. So I try to justify my entry, why I take a position. I show my live MetaTrader screen, the one that you see right now, right here. So I show my MetaTrader. If I enter into a position, I send a Discord notification, a message to all the members like, hey, I entered into a position. The reason why I entered is because X, Y, Z. I explain the current monetary policy, or if I see any, you know, interest rate divergence or any fundamental data which has been released. So from a fundamental perspective, and then I also explain some technicalities, and that's it. Lord Kenny, does gold and how it is moving now have any relevance to when gold broke above $1,000 a good number of years ago, but how is it reacting now? It's breaking above 2,000. Well, we're far away from 2,000 now. Any updates on GJ? Nope. Still climbing a little bit higher. GJ. But it's moving sideways, so I'm going to widen the stop loss a little bit. But it's still moving sideways. Afan Ahmed, can you please tell me the reason why you opened long in gold? What's the reason other than daily pivot? Hunch. I looked at the chart and I saw it.
I can say that during the London session, price took buy-side liquidity, created a market structure shift in the 5-minute above the daily pivot, followed by a breaker structure, and that allowed me to take a buy with stop below recent high.
There you go. Chuskin perfectly explained it.
And the simple market structure is just creating higher highs and higher lows. So it's just London session, volume, big trade. The daily pivots are so good on it, and the weekly pivots.
Yeah. My view was mostly the market sentiment.
Yeah. It just shows how powerful that is.
B on YouTube says, I believe there will start a huge sell on gold. Anything is possible. If you look on the chart, if the data comes out, so if you get higher retail sales with a lower jobless claims, gold is going to definitely sell off. I'm gonna go on a technical break for a minute. No swearing, please. No dirty jokes. For Ahmed, I have seen your live streams and you don't trade US oil. Any major reasons? Yes, because that is one of the most manipulated assets in the whole world. I mean, literally a cartel is controlling the supply of oil. So good luck with that.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello.
How we doing, Charles?
Good, man. Yourself?
All good, man. All good. Just on the way back home, thought I'd join in, see how news goes.
Did you trade this morning?
I did. Yeah, I'm still in gold longs. I've took partials.
Nice. Yeah, emotions got the best of me. So I ended up taking 50% at 50 pips. And then not much higher than that, I just ended up closing the whole thing.
Fair enough, man. I mean, Gotta remember,
before.
make the money, take the money. Here.
Yeah. I mean, I guess it was fear and uncertainty took control of me.
Well, at least you know now for the future. Do you know what I mean? You should learn from it. But it's better to stay out of the market for news anyway. If you don't feel, 100% with it.
That's true. That's why I think journaling is so good, because without journaling, I wouldn't have put down the fact that emotions took control of my trade rather than me just letting it play out. I'd have just skipped past
Morning,
it.
Punanish.
Yeah.
Yes, I read something on Discord about penetration. So I have to
What?
So no, Thomas wrote about TP2 was completely penetrated. So
Oh my god.
I was excited. How's the week, guys?
That's good. Made 5% this week.
Yeah.
Chilling.
Ricardo, you're a dirty man. It's a dirty
About to
mind.
risk 5% on this.
No. I just follow. Just follow the link. Something about penetration. Okay.
What's more painful, missing out on a good trade or taking a stop loss?
Missing out.
Depend of the size of the stop loss.
Yeah, that personal
I think
What's
missing.
more-
stop loss is fine to hit. I don't care. But missing the trade.
It's the good one. It's the good one.
But it has to be a really good trade. Like if it was a sell-off on gold of 400 pips and I just didn't have an opportunity to get in, that would be painful.
I will catch this sell-off on gold. Like a hawk.
Where? Hawk tour. Where's the
Mr.
where's the
Thomas.
sell-off? Hello, Ricardo.
It's coming. Who knows?
When?
I don't know when, but I'm looking. I don't catch the buy, so I have to wait till sell.
I think
Bye-bye,
mixed.
Dubai.
It's gonna be interesting.
I was reading something about TP2 penetration, so I get excited and come fast.
Yeah, TP2 has been penetrated, but thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed it.
I will come anyways, but I have to come faster.
When you come back,
Well, sometimes.
Not recommended.
where you
Good
go?
afternoon, very much.
Hello, who is you?
Hi.
Kai.
So bad.
Hi, Kai.
How you doing? You holding your gold positions through news?
Damn right.
Good.
Damn
good,
right.
Good.
But I should take profit because with one lot I made £1,000. 138 pips, 137 pips, 110 pips on the other one. Fucking hell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in. It looks bigger when you zoom in, right? If you go down to lower time frame, it looks even bigger. So
Indeed.
1
There you
minute
go.
is flashing.
I took the whole trade out.
yeah.
Why did I do that?
Double your money Thursday. Triple your money Thursday. Let's get it.
triple your money Thursday. How you doing, brother?
Alpha FX, you miss it.
You breaking up, brother?
Missing
Can you hear me? I can't hear. Can you hear me?
15 minute breakout.
1 minute 43 seconds to go. So, guys, we made 140 pips, 110 pips, so over 100 pips on the position, as you can see on the chart. Just take some money off the table. Afan Ahmed, what's your favorite car, bro? Dacia Duster, all-time favorite.
Mine's a Yakuza Vasta.
Zastava. Zaporizhets. Oh, 1 minute to go. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. 45 seconds to go, and we are going to have retail sales. I'm going to pull all the stop losses into break even. Whatever happens, I'm already in profit. We have 30 seconds to go. Very exciting. 20 seconds to go. Have a look on the chart and make a decision based on that. We have...
If you see the number, shout it out.
Indeed. Right on. 10,
88.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Oof.
What is it? What is the number? Can you see the number? It's pulling back. It's pulling back. What's the number?
All is green.
All is inflationary. Initial jobless claims and continuing. Last jobless claims is inflationary. Then we have the retail sales. Where's the retail sales? It's 1%. Everything is inflationary, guys. Everything.
Wow.
Even just not the manufacturing index. So, what to do? What to do? Price is now pulling back. Is it going to pull back to the daily pivot? I'm gonna give it a chance. News is positive. Yes. Just don't rush into any decisions. Let's have a look on the news again. So, we have jobless claims lower than expected. Yes, that's inflationary. Then we have retail sales higher than expected, very inflationary. And yet gold hasn't dropped that much. But I would be fucking get out of the position if I were you, so I'm going to close down the buys which I opened at the London session. Yeah, data is inflationary. So there's two options now. If the market, I'm going to lower the volume, if the market is going with the textbook economics, gold is going to plummet back to 24.37 easily. But if the market sentiment is strong, that means the market is going to shake off the inflationary data and just going to rise higher. But I'm closing down the positions. I'm out of the positions and I'm not planning to open any new positions. How about you? What are you going to do, guys?
I have a small salon, so
yeah, I think the sell is reasonable.
And go and enjoy your day.
Absolutely, there's no fucking way. Guys, data came out. From an economist perspective, I'm favoring sales right now because all the data was inflationary. So if you were to sell now, let's say I'm going to place a sell randomly just now, I would place the stop loss at 24.70, 24.67, and it's already in 10 pips of profit. Easy as that. Take profit, previous low 24.40. There you go. And it's already in 70.20.
I'm looking for. Yes.
Yeah, there's 20 pips of profit already. But be careful because the daily pivot is at 24.50, 24, 24.55. So be careful because price can easily bounce back. So I only opened a 1 lot position, so it's not going to hurt my account. But data came out. I was expecting, I was waiting, I was hoping for a more deflationary data. And because it went against my bias, I'm not going to open any other new positions. And I'm going to call it a day. Simple as that. If the data, you don't favor the data, or it goes against your plan, your strategy, your bias, then just walk away, because this is now uncertain. Market sentiment is way too strong. I'm with the bulls. I'm looking for buys, but the data was inflationary. So I'm going to call it a day. I wish everyone a good trading day, and I hope you're going to figure out what's going to happen with gold. I'm still favoring buys. And I wish you a good day.
Thank you,
Next
Tamas.
week we're gonna be live.
When?
Next week. Only Thursday gonna be news. Other days like clean.
Most likely, because I will be on holiday in September.
Ooh,
So
Okay.
not whole September, but I will be on holiday in about 3 weeks.
Oh
so
shit,
where are
that's
you
long.
going, Tamas?
Somewhere nice. So I will be away from 3rd of September till the 8th, and I'll be back on the 9th. So we have 2 weeks together live trading.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye and have a nice evening then.
Thank you.
Have a good
Yeah,
one,
man.
guys. Bye
You
bye.
too.
Bus.
I will send out the
See you.
signal to you guys in a minute when I finish live stream. Bye bye.